Okay, Ade is sleeping right now. So we're gonna slowly move slow and go to her. Let me disconnect the phone. She's sleeping, my girl. Okay, girl. Wake up! Time to go to work! She's like, oh no, not again! I have to go to work. Please let me sleep 1 more hour. Look, you're late for work. She's like, I don't care. Let me sleep. Damn it, let me sleep.